When it comes to home improvement projects, replacing doors is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. Not only do new doors enhance the curb appeal and overall aesthetic of your home, but they also improve security, energy efficiency, and privacy. If you're a homeowner in Birmingham considering a door replacement, there's a lot to consider to ensure you get the best value for your investment. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know about door replacement, from choosing the right door to finding the right contractor. Why replace your doors? Over time, doors can become worn out, damaged, or inefficient. There are several reasons you might consider replacing your doors. Enhanced security. Older doors or poorly maintained doors are often easier for intruders to bypass. New, high-quality doors come with advanced locking mechanisms and sturdy materials that offer greater protection for your home. Improved energy efficiency. Older doors may allow drafts, letting cold air in during winter and warm air in during the summer. Modern doors are designed to be more energy efficient, reducing your heating and cooling costs. Aesthetic upgrade. Doors are a key feature of your home's exterior and interior look. A stylish new door can elevate your home's curb appeal and complement the overall design. Noise reduction. If you live in a busy area of Birmingham, a solid door can help block out external noise, creating a more peaceful indoor environment. Maintenance and repairs. Sometimes, constant repairs or maintenance can make keeping your old door functional more trouble than it's worth. A new door offers a fresh start with fewer issues. Choosing the right door for your home. When it comes to selecting a replacement door, it's essential to consider both function and style. Here are some key factors to keep in mind. Material. The material of the door plays a significant role in its durability, security, and insulation properties. Common materials include wood. Classic and elegant, wooden doors are versatile and can be stained or painted to match your home's style. They provide natural insulation but may require more maintenance than other materials. Composite. Made from a mix of materials like wood and plastic, composite doors are durable, low maintenance, and offer excellent energy efficiency. UPVC. Known for their energy efficiency and low maintenance, UPVC doors are a popular choice for both exterior and interior doors. Aluminium. Strong, lightweight, and modern, aluminium doors offer great security and are typically used for larger entrances like sliding doors or bifold doors. Style. The design of your door should complement your home's aesthetic. Traditional homes often benefit from wooden panel doors, while modern homes may look better with sleek, minimalist designs or glass panel doors. Security features. Security is one of the primary concerns when replacing doors. Look for doors with multi-point locking systems, reinforced frames, and sturdy materials like steel or solid core wood. Size and fit. Ensure that the door you choose fits well within your existing door frame, or be prepared to have the frame adjusted. This will prevent drafts and ensure the door functions correctly. Finding the right contractor. Choosing the right contractor for your door replacement project in Birmingham is crucial to ensuring quality work. Here are some tips for finding a reputable professional. Experience and specialization. Look for contractors who have experience specifically in door replacement. Ask for references or examples of previous work. Licensing and insurance. Always check that your contractor is fully licensed and insured. This protects you in case of accidents or issues that arise during installation. Reviews and testimonials. Read online reviews and ask for testimonials from past clients. A good contractor should have positive feedback and a solid reputation. Quotes and estimates. Get multiple quotes to compare pricing and services. Be wary of significantly low quotes, as they may indicate poor quality materials or workmanship. The installation process. Once you've chosen your new door and contractor, the installation process will begin. This typically involves the following steps. Removal of the old door. The old door and frame will be removed carefully to avoid damage to the surrounding area. Preparation. The door frame will be prepared to ensure a perfect fit for the new door. This may include adjustments to the frame or the surrounding structure. Installation. The new door will be fitted and secured in place, ensuring it opens and closes smoothly and locks securely. Finishing touches. Once the door is installed, any finishing touches such as painting, sealing, or adding hardware will be completed. Conclusion. Replacing a door in Birmingham is an investment in both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your home. With the right materials, style, and contractor, you can enjoy a door that enhances your security, improves energy efficiency, and adds to the overall beauty of your property. Take the time to research your options and consult with professionals to ensure a smooth and successful door replacement experience.